Let's talk about fiber, a nutritional powerhouse that's often overlooked. Fiber is super important for our health and how we feel overall. It goes through our digestive system without being broken down too much. Fiber helps control lots of things in our body, from digestion to blood sugar. It keeps things regular and prevents digestive problems. Fiber can be your secret weapon for losing weight. It helps us feel fuller for longer, which stops us from overeating. Adding more fiber to your diet is a long-term investment in your health. Fiber comes in two main types, soluble and insoluble, each with its own special benefits. Think of them as a dynamic duo, working together to keep your digestive system in tip-top shape. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel in our gut. This gel slows down digestion, which helps us feel full and satisfied. Insoluble fiber doesn't dissolve in water. It acts like a broom, helping to prevent constipation. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Ready to boost your fiber intake? Look no further than the amazing variety of delicious and nutritious plant-based foods that nature provides. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains are all excellent sources of fiber. When choosing fruits and veggies, go for the ones with edible skins or seeds, as these parts usually have the most fiber. Berries, apples, pears, broccoli, and leafy greens are fantastic options. Legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas are not only packed with fiber but also provide a good source of plant-based protein. Toss them into soups, stews, salads, or enjoy them as a satisfying side dish. When it comes to grains, choose whole grains over refined grains whenever possible. Whole grain bread, brown rice, quinoa, and oats are great sources of fiber and will provide you with long-lasting energy throughout the day. Increasing your fiber intake doesn't have to be a big change. Small, manageable changes can make a big difference. Start your day with a fiber-rich breakfast. Go for oatmeal topped with fruits and nuts. Make fruits and vegetables a part of every meal. Aim to fill half your plate with colorful veggies. Choose whole grains over refined grains. Snack on nuts and seeds. Read food labels and choose products with higher fiber content. One of the amazing benefits of fiber, especially soluble fiber, is that it can help lower cholesterol levels, leading to a healthier heart. Soluble fiber acts like a magnet in our digestive system, binding to cholesterol and preventing it from being fully absorbed into the bloodstream. When soluble fiber binds to cholesterol, it forms a gel-like substance that eventually gets flushed out of the body. This process effectively reduces the amount of cholesterol circulating in our blood, lowering the risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that diets rich in soluble fiber can significantly reduce LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. High LDL cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease because it can contribute to plaque buildup in the arteries, restricting blood flow. By incorporating plenty of soluble fiber-rich foods into your diet, you can naturally support healthy cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. Fiber helps keep our blood sugar levels steady, which means we have balanced energy. Carbohydrates turn into sugar in our blood. Soluble fiber slows down how fast those carbs are absorbed. This prevents those energy crashes we get after eating sugary foods. For people with diabetes, fiber is super important for managing blood sugar levels. Fiber helps our body use insulin better. Fiber is an unsung hero when it comes to digestive health. It acts like a gentle cleanser for our digestive tract, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to our stool, making it easier to pass. Soluble fiber forms a gel that feeds the good bacteria in our gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for our overall health. Besides its impact on weight management, heart health, and digestion, fiber plays a crucial role in disease prevention. Studies have linked diets high in fiber to a reduced risk of several chronic diseases, including type 2 diabetes, heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. The exact ways that fiber protects against these diseases are complex and multifaceted. However, several key factors contribute to its protective effects. As we discussed, fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. It also lowers cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Additionally, fiber promotes a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in immune function and inflammation. A healthy gut microbiome can help reduce chronic inflammation throughout the body, lowering the risk of developing various diseases. While increasing your fiber intake offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to be aware of potential downsides, especially when making drastic changes to your diet. One common concern is that suddenly increasing fiber intake can lead to digestive discomfort such as bloating, gas, and cramps. This is because fiber, particularly insoluble fiber, adds bulk to our stool, and our digestive system may need time to adjust. To minimize digestive discomfort, it's crucial to increase your fiber intake gradually, allowing your body to adapt. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is also essential, as fiber absorbs water in the digestive tract. Another potential downside of a high-fiber diet is that it can interfere with the absorption of certain medications. If you're taking any medications, it's essential to talk to your doctor before significantly increasing your fiber intake. The ideal fiber intake varies depending on factors like age, gender, and overall health. The dietary guidelines for Americans recommend a daily fiber intake of 25 to 30 grams for adults. However, it's essential to listen to your body and find the fiber intake that works best for you. If you're not used to consuming much fiber, start by gradually increasing your intake by a few grams per day. Pay attention to how your body responds to the increased fiber intake. If you experience any digestive discomfort such as bloating, gas, or cramps, reduce your intake slightly and increase it more gradually as your body adjusts. It's also important to remember that fiber is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to overall health and well-being. A balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep are also crucial for optimal health. Incorporating more fiber into your diet is a gift you give to your body. It's a simple yet profound act of self-care that can have a ripple effect on your overall health and well-being. Embrace the power of fiber and let it guide you on a lifelong journey to wellness. Start by making small, sustainable changes to your diet and gradually increase your fiber intake as your body allows. Listen to your body, experiment with different fiber-rich foods, and discover the delicious and satisfying ways to nourish your body from the inside out. Remember, every step you take towards a fiber-rich lifestyle is a step towards a healthier and happier you.